Hello everybody and welcome. So today I want to show you my new crawler from FMS. It's the K5 Blazer, fully licensed from Chevrolet. It sits here since October and it's time to film it. So let's start with the box. If you want, you can pause to see all the details. There you see three nice colorways: the black, the orange, and the brown one. And I decide myself for the black one. What do you got in the box? You have a full manual, then some spare parts, lights, and key. It comes with an 11-channel radio, and here comes the Blazer. You see it already has a lot of dust on it. I replaced the doors downstairs, so since October it got a bit of dirt on it. I've already put on the top on the truck's bed, and I've changed something on the removal of the body. So the body, you sometimes think you need more than 5 hands, but with the changes I made, the body removes very easily. But so what have I done? You see here in front you have your 3 pins. On the back side you have your light control here, which is magnetic, and that holds very good the body. And on the back I just cut the 2 pins there, and it just holds perfectly with the 3 magnets. So the only thing you have to do is push the clips here in front and you remove the body. On the light control I removed the turning signals. Take a look inside the car. So here you have the 21 turn 550 motor brushed. The front axle mount servo, I think this one is 18 kilogram. Your ESC and receiver combo. Your light control. I can show you a bit of the flags. It's a very nice designed car, but enough talk. Let's go outside and try it on the trail. Back at home, there's not much to say except for that this trail truck is nearly perfect. For the money, €300, you get a drag brake on the fly, locking diffs, a dig function, front wheel drive, four wheel drive. This thing is absolutely nice. A bit of cleaning here and it looks almost new. What I don't like about it is the power switch is not good positioned there. And then also the body, you have to do a small modification. The turning lights also a bit of modifications, but overall this is a very nice rig. Thank you for watching everybody. See you next time. Bye bye.